I want to make a little updated video about how I fixed the broken bolt in the block, not the original block to the truck, but the block that I bought from a wrecking yard and decided to rebuild that went into the truck. There was a crack in, well, first of all, the bolt broke as I was disassembling the engine, and as a result of mainly my fault, I exerted too much pressure or force turning the bolt, because I had the bolt clamped with a vice grip, and not the bolt clamped, but I had an extractor tool like this, which I hammered into the hole, and then I clamped vice grips onto this and the hole, and I proceeded to try to turn and pull out the broken off bolt. And as a result of that, between using my own leverage and a hammer hitting on the vice grip, try to get that to break free, the result was it cracked the thin-walled area around the bolt hole, and that was that. So the damage was done, and it was my fault. It wasn't the design of the engine's fault. There wasn't a crack in the block. It was a perfectly good block before I got a hold of it. And that's the first time that I ever did that. But this is the kit that I used right here. It's called a SERT kit. And this is one of the only options, or the best option, I should say, that I had. And the kit has threaded inserts. It's a hollow insert all the way through, so the bolt can go all the way through in case you want to deepen the hole. And it usually comes with, I don't know why I keep that in there. It comes with a drill bit, which is the oversized hole drill bit, so that these inserts will be able to fit into the hole after you tap the hole. And it comes with a tap, threaded tap to rethread the hole. Comes with this. I don't have the tap in here, it's somewhere. I believe this is what holds the insert and allows you to screw the insert in and seat it. And then it comes with this tool, and I'm not sure what that is right now. I have to go through the instructions. It has instructions. But a really good kit in general. It is expensive. I think it was like $80 to $100, you know, just for to fix one bolt. But this did allow me to reuse, you know, the same size bolt I had a spare engine. I just pulled the other bolt from the other engine, so I was able to use the original factory bolt. I didn't have to go down and buy another replacement bolt from the hardware store. Fucking bolt broke on me. Right next to the water passage from the water pump through the front timing cover. Okay, that's gonna have to be replaced right there. I'm gonna have to like extract that. Damn thing was rusted. Like water got on it. Water got in on that bolt. Maybe it was leaking. Water was leaking out through the gasket there.